Hello, in this video I want to talk about importing and exporting to MS Office. Before we do that, it's better to look at one option in MS Project. So we go to File, Option, and Trust Center. Trust Center. Usually when it comes out of the box, we have this one checked off. It's saying it wouldn't open and save non-default file. So for example, command delimited, but we wanted to open it, but ask us first. So we click the middle option. Put OK, OK, and for example, we have this file Excel, and we have task, resources, and we wanted to uh, import it to MS Project. We have to open it within the MS Project. So we go File, Open, and go to Browse. So we look for the file that we want. For example, this is a since this is a Excel, so we go to Excel workbook and select this file, open, and the wizard comes up to guide us through the process. Go next, next, and this is option if we want to import it to new project, and this is appended data. This is going to merge the data, but we have to have same exactly the same task if we wanted to base it on the task. For now I'm gonna choose this one because I wanted to import it into MS Project. I'll go next and want to import task and resource. Next, and I choose task, and whatever MS Project can map, write it here, and the other field leave it for us to fill it up. So I put name here and pull down menu, resource name, resource names, and next I going to select resource. I have to select these three, map these three, name, type, and this is going to be standard rate. Next, we can save this mapping that we did or just finish. So these are the data that we imported. These are the data with the notes, or we can select them all these data and push Control X to move it somewhere else that we want. For example, here before the construction start, push Control V, and it's going to paste it right here. Now I'm going to export some data. Going back to File, there's an export here. Go to Save, then Microsoft Excel, Save As, and it brings me to the same location. and I'm going to name it export to Excel. Save, and it goes back to the wizard. And here either I can select selected data, or I get put the on Microsoft Excel, use the template. I choose this and push finish. Then I go back to the Explorer, the location that I have all the files, and here this is my file. So we'll look. We have task, resource, and assignment. I'm gonna close this one. I'm going to try another option. File, save as. It's going to be same as exporting. Going to select the same location and name it export to Excel. This time I'm going to put the selected file. So save. Actually, I wanted to put it in Excel. So put save as, same location, export to selected, and you choose Excel Excel workbook. Save, and it goes back to the wizard. Next, selected data, new map, and this time I'm just gonna export tasks. Next, then I'm choosing the field that I want to export. I can filter tasks that I wanted. For example, let's we're just exporting the critical task, and I'm choosing the field that I wanted. So put name, start, and finish. Notice when I put these names here, I put the same name in the Excel file, and I'm okay with it. So next, and finish, and go back to the location that I saved this file, and I see Excel file here. Double click on it. Actually, this is the one. Double click on it, and I see we have only one task tab, and these are the column that I asked for. And I'm going to export again with the CSV file. Save as, go to same location. This time I'm choosing CSV, and going to change the name to export to CSV. Save, and it's asked us because it's an older version that we're saving to, and remember we chose the that option to ask us. So it will ask about the file if we want to save it, and we say yes. Goes back to the wizard. Next, new map, and here we have only one choice since this is not the Excel file. Next, then I'm going to I'm not using filter, I'm just going to use all the task, and here I'm choosing the field that I wanted, two columns, the columns that I wanted: name, start, finish, finish. And also here, finish, then go next, finish, go to the location, and this is my file, export to a CSV. This it opened it with Excel, but let me open it with a different format. I go open with Notepad, and this is my file: name, start, finish, and this is the name, start date, and finish date. Thank you for watching.